Hello and welcome to Bodygraph.com, all-in-one platform that successfully serves human design and astrology businesses. Any spiritual businesses, in fact, because Bodygraph.com has tools and features for you to start and to scale your business. Now allow me to introduce Bodygraph.com Business Plan Extension or add-on that allows you to upgrade your business to the next level. This extension will allow you to have fully functional booking calendars, social media schedulers, CRM, AI agents, and much more. And I'm talking about Bodygraph.com GoHighLevel extension.
At your Bodygraph subscription dashboard, select the GoHighLevel menu option. Carefully read through and agree to all provided terms and conditions. The most important point to keep in mind that GoHighLevel must be treated as third-party platform available through your Bodygraph subscription. It is not Bodygraph tool or feature, therefore Bodygraph does not service, monitor, or take responsibility for the extension's performance or technical setup. By continuing to use extension, the subscriber agrees to independently learn how to use GoHighLevel tools and features, and to always refer to GoHighLevel's official Help Center guides and video tutorials. Once agreed to the terms and conditions, proceed by pressing Sign in with SSO and wait for a couple of minutes for your account to be created. Next, to continue the setup, ensure that extension functions as expected. Navigate to Settings section at the bottom left corner and open Billing panel. And provide your preferred payment method. While GoHighLevel tools and features are included in a Bodygraph business plan subscription, services such as email delivery, messaging, and any third-party app usage within this platform requires payment directly through the GoHighLevel extension. You also have option to connect your own email service via SMTP settings. Please refer to GoHighLevel guides for details and instructions. SMTP settings can be connected at the email services at your settings. By the default, Bodygraph already connected lead connector, and it will function as long as the billing details are provided. However, if you do not want to use lead connector services, as I mentioned, you can connect and add your own services such as Gmail, Yahoo, SendGrid, Mailgun, and more. Once the account created and billing details provided, come back to your main Bodygraph.com dashboard and open the App Integrations section. You will recognize that connection immediately and automatically install the GoHighLevel app connection that will allow you to collect leads directly to GoHighLevel extension's contact list. To make sure that this connection is complete, need to ensure that it is actually enabled at any embed code that you're using or will be using at your website. And also it is important that your design subscription form has the email field enabled. Also proceed selecting the additional tags that you want to send alongside to the client's email to the GoHighLevel's contact list. Save it and send the test data to see if the contact arrives to the contact list and confirms that connection is complete. Please note that there is a few seconds delay for the new contact to arrive to the GoHighLevel extension's contact list when the chart is run or the test data is sent. Now the test data from the Alex account arrived. This means and completes the setup, confirming that the app integration is complete, and now you can start collecting the contacts directly to the extension's contact list. One very important notice: do not delete GoHighLevel app integration during your use of the extension. Doing so will permanently delete your entire GoHighLevel account and all associated data, with no possibility to recover. If you choose to cancel your Bodygraph subscription, or if it becomes suspended due to failed payments, access to extension will be suspended and stored for 90 days before being permanently deleted.
Now that Bodygraph GoHighLevel extension is installed and fully connected, it's time to navigate to official GoHighLevel Help Center guides and video tutorials to learn how to use its features at your business. Bodygraph team wishes you all the best in your business, and we're looking forward to your success.